When it comes to precision welding for solar protection, whether it's awnings, shades, marine covers, and more, Weldmaster leads the way worldwide. This global powerhouse manufactures hot air, hot wedge, and radio frequency welding machines trusted across countries and industries. The 112 Extreme is perfect for long, straight welds on awnings and shade fabrics. It's engineered for speed and consistency over large runs. Need versatility? The T300 delivers. From acrylics to PVC, it adapts seamlessly with hot air or hot wedge technology. Truly the most versatile welder available in the market. For seamless edge-to-edge bonding, our Flex takes over. This radio frequency welder creates strong, airtight seams ideal for complex marine applications. And when portability meets precision, you get the Triad Extreme. Lightweight but tough. It's your go-to for on-site or in-shop fabrication. From design to delivery, Weldmaster powers every weld with innovation, precision, and global expertise. Stronger seams, smarter machines, worldwide support. Leading the way in solar protection, one weld at a time. For more information, go to www.weldmaster.com or call us at 330-833-6739.